Welcome to Gracie's Wig Journey. Today we're going to talk about synthetic versus human hair. There's a misconception out there that human hair, those wigs are really quite pricey. They can run up to a couple of $1,000s. Well, the answer is yes. Some manufacturers, actually the best manufacturers of human hair wigs, that generally is the price. But to actually get a human hair wig, really, it could be $25. $25. Yes, this is human hair. This was $25. I got it from, you probably know, a lot of the very inexpensive places where you can get wigs that for $27, $25. This is human hair. Let me explain what the difference is. Now, when you do purchase these wigs, number one, if you know anything about hairstyling, this is easy for you. For me, I'm a novice. This was not my area of expertise in my career. So I'm not very good at styling hair. I occasionally might wear something like this, but I'll share with you what I normally do. I'll wear like a band around here, or definitely do like some kind of a scrunchie like this. The reason is, do you see the top? There's just usually one part. You don't have flexibility in changing the part. It's kind of like the wigs in the 1970s and prior. They always had one part. You had to deal with it. Also, this does not have a lace front, and I'll explain more with that. It's basically comes right up here. You just kind of have to put it down, and here it is. So for those of you that are very well adapted to styling your own hair and working with this and doing all kinds of stuff, this is certainly a way to go, because you're getting human hair, and what can be better than having human hair? And notice also that this color is certainly not my own natural color, which is brown. But I've evolved to liking the lighter colors. I just think as baby boomers, actually, I think we look younger when we wear a kind of a lighter color that frames our face. But I just wanted to show you this first. Now I'm going to take it off to show you how it is made. Here is a human hair $25 wig. That how it's made. Do you see right here? It's one part. And this is the cap. And generally they have a little bit of a tie with a hook in the very back. This never works for me. It always comes out. This is the wefting. You'll find that with these less expensive wigs, the wefting tends to be a little bit more fragile, more kind of bends. And then this is the front here, as you can see. There's no lace front. It's just like the old wigs that came right up to your right up here to your temple. But actually, I have a few of these, and this particular one, inexpensive one, this is made actually a little better. But this gives you an idea of you being able to buy a wig, human hair wig, for $25. So I'm going to get into the actual tools, like the bands and different things that you can wear for placing on your wig. All right? Come and join me. Be sure to subscribe. And also, please become a member and join our group where we meet monthly, hand in hand, and we share our experience of all these wigs, hair loss, solutions, and what we do. We learn from each other. That's what our community is all about. Have a great day.